Network Entertainment.
Meet the Press podcast for the best in entertainment features four of the most respected and formidable media journalists: Marinel Cruz of the Philippine Daily Inquirer, Bobby Requintina of Manila Bulletin, Natalie Tamada of the Philippine Star, and Noel Ferrer of PEP, Malaya, and Radio Karipunan. Listen in on interviews with newsmakers as these four hosts dissect entertainment news to clear the ground for a better and more progressive Philippine entertainment industry.
So we're in for another episode of Meet the Press. I'm Noel Ferrer. We have here a very, very young lady boss because it's Women's Month. And we chose her because she's there to inspire us, not only because she's nakatutok sa family, but she's a larger community, which is yun nga, GMA Media. And also, on a larger scale, idol natin to sa pagmamahal niya sa Diyos. So may kaibang kabutihan siya na gusto nating i-aspire. I've known her since before high school kami, but it's always nice to talk to Miss Annette Gozon Valdez. Hello, kapatid. Hello, Annette.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Attorney Annette.
Yes, hello.
Good afternoon.
So we start with, sige, Bobby or Natalie kayo? Sino mas may pressing questions?
A few days ago when Noel told us na Miss Annette will be the guest, sabi ko, ang haba ng title ni Miss Annette sa GMA, multi-hyphenated boss, sabi ganun. Senior Vice President for Programming, Talent Management, Worldwide, and Support. At the same time, President of GMA Films. Ang daming responsibilities ni Miss Annette. So, ganito ba talaga ka-busy ang responsibility sa GMA? Ang
Nako,
dami.
yes, sobrang busy. Actually, yung support group na yan, kasama dyan yung HR and
Oh my God.
legal. So, matakot talaga sa time.
Yes.
Pero kinakaya,
Mhm.
diba? Para kinakaya because I have very, very good people under me who are also, yung parang in effect, they're ready to take my place being the head of their
Yes.
own department. So, even if it seems that I
Mhm.
handle a lot of departments, they work like clockwork already. So
Mhm.
medyo hindi naman ganun ka-demanding in that
Okay.
sense. So it's better for me to concentrate dun sa mga mas showbiz related like
Mhm.
talent management, programming, yung mga ganun.
Okay. Pero Miss Annette, walang duda na isa ka sa tinitinangalang female leaders ngayon sa industry, ano. So when it comes to leadership, what do you think are some of the leadership skills that help you move sa organization, sa GMA?
Siguro kasi I don't
Mm.
really think of myself as a leader. I'm very
Okay. Mm.
collaborative. And
Mm.
parang when we work kasi in GMA, we're all colleagues. We don't look
Okay.
at titles. We don't look at
Mm.
if someone is on top or under a
Okay.
person. Parang
Mm.
we respect each person's ideas. We build on
Okay.
ideas.
Mm.
So siguro it's leadership by being collaborative, by being open, by listening
Mm.
to
Okay.
what my colleagues have to say.
Mm.
And ano kasi ako bossy.
Okay.
ano, I like listening to
Mm.
ideas. Pero syempre, when I believe in an
Mm.
idea or in
Okay.
something, pinaglalaban ko rin.
Mm.
But I love listening to all opinions. I'm very open.
Mm.
And kasi I think everyone has something to say. And marami kasi dyan na,
Mm.
even big ideas, little ideas that you can build on. And I think
Okay.
when a lot of people come together and contribute what they have, it's better and we get
Mm.
something bigger than kung ako lang or kung just a
Yes.
few people build on something.
Okay.
I'm also a Christian and I
Mm.
I really believe in
Mm.
having Christian values in my leadership,
Yes.
like respect and
Mm.
yung we respect people, hindi tayo yung type of magmamaliit at any
Mm.
time, at any given point.
Wow. Sana all ganyan ang
Yes.
mga leaders natin, ano? Pero Miss Annette, at this point, what do you think are the leadership challenges that are unique to to women, lalo na sa organization sa broadcast industry po?
Alam mo, I've been
Mm.
saying this na in the broadcast industry, we're
Mm.
very lucky that it's not ruled by any gender. We're very
Okay.
open to all genders, di ba? From the start,
Mm.
we have allowed everyone to shine.
Mm.
Para tayong
Okay.
blind sa gender.
Okay.
Kasi I think everyone has creative abilities and yun yung
Mm.
talagang titingnan natin dito sa broadcast
Okay.
industry. It's the creative
Mm.
abilities, not the gender. And we're very, very lucky. I'm very
Mm.
lucky to be a female in this industry kasi nga, you're allowed to shine.
Okay.
Wala tayong mga,
Mm.
walang balakid, walang obstacles, walang challenges for females or any gender for
Okay.
that
Mm.
matter.
Pero what is one thing you wish more people knew about women in the workplace or sa industry po natin?
Siguro
Mm.
one is if you look at the demographics of the
Okay.
viewers sa TV, I'm talking about
Yes po.
TV,
Opo.
majority are females. So
Okay.
in that
Okay.
sense, may advantage ang female because
Mm.
siguro we're more in touch with inclinations ng
Mm.
females towards what they want to watch. Ano yung emotionality that they want to
Okay.
see,
Mm.
ano yung mga sensitivities that they want to see. And a
Okay.
lot of our viewers are mothers. So
Mm.
marami talaga gustong magpakita ng family values. And I
Mm.
think mga mothers ilaw ng tahanan. So being a
Okay.
female, parang I think that's an advantage that we have.
Mm.
We can contribute a lot to the content of what the majority of the viewers want to watch.
Miss
So,
Annette, okay,
siguro,
we know that you're so busy, pero what's an ordinary day for you? What are you into? Like hobbies or if you're not doing anything, which is, I'm sure, bihira naman na you're always busy. What are
oo.
the things na,
Well, siguro
mm,
ano ba yung gusto kong cooking. I love cooking.
really?
Kung may
I like that.
time, magluluto ako. I love feeding my friends, my
Mm.
family. And wala na nga akong time mag-exercise eh. Mas gusto kong magluto.
Ano specialty
Siguro
po sa food? Sa food po.
specialty, wala
Yes
akong
po.
special recipe eh.
Mm.
Parang pag meron ako natikman, gusto ko gayahin. And I try to
Okay.
copy the taste. One day papaglutuan ko kayo, Noel.
Wow,
Sige, go.
nice.
Challenge.
What was the last time na niluto po ninyo?
Eto,
Last time.
kakaluto ko lang. Parang punta
Last
kami sa Baguio Market this morning.
Hmm.
Tapos bumili kami ng fresh produce. We bought a lot of vegetables. So nagluto ako ng 3 kinds of vegetables. Meron akong oyster mushrooms in butter garlic. Meron akong chop
Wow.
suey in oyster sauce with
Hmm.
chicharon bits. Meron rin akong, may nabili kami na leafy vegetable. Ginawa kong adobo
Hmm.
with tuyo flakes. So meron ako
Okay.
kanina, vegetables 3 ways.
Wow,
Para
nice. Masarap.
healthy, di ba?
Correct, puro healthy.
Healthy.
Okay, yun lang po naman na for me. Siguro balik ako later.
Yo,
Nat,
ito
Noel.
naman, yung in love
Hmm.
na nakasama namin si Natalie of the Philippine Star.
Naku, baka maniwala si Miss Annette. Pero Miss Annette, nakatoka yata ako sa love life question. Pero talagang matagal ko nang gustong malaman talaga ito. Kasi after, parang di ba na-interview po kayo namin for Philippine Star at saka nagkwento mo yung how your father is with his wife, your mom. Um, ano po yung nakuha mo sa parents mo when it comes to your marriage and staying strong in your relationship?
Well, kasi very family-oriented yung parents ko. And sa totoo, yung dad ko kasi, he's a typical male. Medyo ano yan, strong boss, big boss. Alam niyo naman, lalo na yung mga makalumang mga tatay, di ba? Ganon siya. He's a very strong person. And my mom naman is a very typical female na actually biblical kasi 'di ba in the Bible alam ko na maraming magdi-disagree sa akin but in the Bible it says that the wife should submit and I've seen that in my parents' marriage and I've seen that that's a formula that works. You can't go wrong with that. And ako, when I applied it, ako, hirap ako kasi ano ko, achiever, lawyer, di ba? Parang, ganon, ganon. Naku, natuto na ako mag-submit. And when I did, parang magic siya. So sabi ko nga, parang ano talaga, no? May something, when you follow what the Bible says, may blessing. Parang it's beyond our control na parang si God na yung nagwo-work. So talagang I really believe in yon in the formula of the Bible for a married couple. They put Jesus in the center. the husband should love the wife as God loves the church. Women should submit and the husband. Pero ito nga yung natutunan ko. It's an independent responsibility. Hindi ko gagawin na mag-submit kung mahalin ako like Christ loves the church. Hindi ganon. Kahit hindi ka minamahal ng asawa mo, it's your responsibility to God to follow kung anong sinasabi. Mag-submit ka and siya na yung bahala. He will work it out. He will do his wonders and magic. Yun lang.
Ang ganda nga, Miss Annette. So parang iba ka sa GMA, tapos pagdating sa bahay, iba yung dynamics din. Ganun po ba yun?
Ako naman kasi nakatrabaho ka na yan eh. Parang
Oo.
hindi rin naman kasi ako ano pa ako sa work. Mabait kasi ako yata.
Okay.
Oh.
Hindi ako confrontation. Hindi ako nang-aaway.
Mm-mm.
Wala.
Ah,
Parang, wala naman ako nakakaaway. If ever may nakaaway ko, konting-konti lang, bati na kami agad. Diba? Parang hindi kasi, ganun siguro yung personality ko talaga.
okay. Mm-mm.
So, hindi
Mm-mm.
naman medyo mahirap. Siguro yung pagka-lawyer ko lang, kasi di ba pag lawyer, you have to win arguments. Yun lang yung kailangan ko i-adjust sa family
Mm-mm.
life, sa married life.
Mm. Yun, Miss Annette, pakwento naman kasi February naman ngayon. Abot pa tayo sa Valentine's month. Kasi ito talaga yung gusto kong malaman. Paano ba
March
kayo
month.
nagkailaban ni Sir Shintaro Valdez? O, di ba?
Kakaiba yung kwento na yan. Kukwento ko ba dito?
Yes, ito
I
na.
had the
Okay.
honor in Radyo Katipunan na silang dalawa.
Nakwento ko na
Pero
ba
yun.
sa'yo? Nakwento ko na dati.
Oo,
Yung
pero yun,
kwento
kwento mo sa
namin,
kanila.
nakakaiba. Kasi, Facebook friends kami kasi usually pag mga artista or in showbiz, ina-accept ko naman yung mga friend request. So matagal na kaming Facebook friends. Hindi ko naman pinapansin. Sabi ko baka sakali makast namin one day, ganun-ganun. And then, once nakita daw niya ako sa restaurant, tapos nag-message siya sa akin, I saw you. So sabi ko, ay sorry, hindi kita nakita, malabo mata ko, matandan. So biglang, sabi ba naman parang, what? You look awesome. Ganon. Ayaw ko ng gano'n. As in, ako, parang ang landi nito. And, uh, to be honest, hindi naman magandang reputation niya dati. Playboy yan dati, no katanya. So, parang
Oo.
ayaw ko talaga. Ina-avoid ko, hindi nasagot. Tapos, laging nagme-message. Message ng message, hindi ko talaga sinasagot. Tapos, one day, nag-message siya na parang, oh, so you're a Laker fan? Kasi may pinost ako. Fan ako ng Lakers eh. Di ko napigilan, sumagot ako, yes, I love the Lakers. Ang tanong niya sa akin, what else do you love? So ako,
Ah.
parang gusto ko siya i-shout out. Sabi ko, I love theology. Kasi totoo, I love theology. So akala ko parang yan. Pag sinabi ko yan, di ba parang, okay, ayoko na dito, di ba? Tapos biglang sagot ba naman niya sa akin, I also love theology. So, in my mind, ang kapal nito. Nagamit pa si parang manglandi, gano'n, gano'n. So, ginawa ko, quiz ko siya about faith, about
Mm.
theology.
Mm.
Bilis niya sumagot, tama lahat. So, parang, ang haba kasi tapos napapahiya na ako ng napapahiya, unti-unti na parang, wow, ginudge ko siya agad. Totoo yata, ang galing pala niya. Yung pala, later on, I found out 7 years siya nag-aral ng Bible kasi he was converted, I think, in 2004 to the faith. So parang napahiya naman ako. And after that, sabi ko kay God, nag-judge ako mali. Diba? Sabi niya, don't judge. So
Mm.
after that, sumasagot-sagot na ako hanggang naging close kami. Yan yung kwento namin.
Oh, ang ganda, Miss Annette. Pero paano, when did you
Yun.
know? Nakaka-inspire. O, di ba, Bobby nakaka-inspire, kinikilig siya. Nakikita ko sa mukha.
Alam mo, kakaiba
Correct.
kasi ako. Parang marami akong mga kilala na, after a failed relationship or failed marriage, ayaw nang magpakasal. Marami akong friends, alam mo nila, hindi ko na lang sasabihin kung sino, pero mga sinasabi, ha, ayoko na magpakasal. Parang, ano na lang, parang relationship na lang. Ako,
Mm.
di ba, Christian, hindi, pag nag-relationship ako, kailangan pakasal.
No.
So, ganun rin naman. Di ba, ang
Mm.
labo? Parang ano ba yan? Mahilig magpakasal. Hindi, pero kasi, di ba, yun dapat eh. When you
Yeah.
enter into a relationship, it's with the view na it's a lifelong commitment, it's a sacrament, it's a covenant. Parang gusto mong pumasok sa ganun. So, ganun agad yung idea ko. Kaya, yan, nagpakasal ako ulit.
Pero Miss Annette,
Ganon.
when
Ganon
did you know
talaga.
na he was the one? O, di ba? Na pwede talagang, alam mo, siya yung second shot mo at
Siguro,
marriage.
Siguro kasi, yun nga, nag-start yung friendship namin based on faith, based on theology, nag-uusap kami about faith, and nakita ko na totoo yung faith niya. And gusto ko kasi na gano'n, yung, of course, when you enter into a relationship, pareho kayo ng faith, para hindi ka na mahirapan, and I saw na God-centered siya. So, parang mas madali pasukin yung relationship pag gano'n. Although I'm not saying na walang challenges. Lahat naman may challenge, 'di ba? Pero yun nga, 'di ba, when you enter into something, even into a marriage, it trains you to be more like Jesus. Nandiyan na yung sacrifice, nandiyan na yung patience. And when you see that working, baka kasi yan talaga yung balak ni God, no? To make you more like Jesus in everything that you do.
Curious ako, ma'am. Ano ba reaction mo pag tinatawag na parang Clark Kent si husband mo? Kasi sa mga comments na mababasa ko, parang Clark Kent, Superman,
I
ganun.
know. Alam mo, hindi ko siya type. Dati, nung kabataan niya, di ba sikat siya? Hindi ko siya type. As in, hindi yun yung type. Alam ni Noel yung type ko. Hindi ganun yung type ko physically. So, never ko siya naging crush. Never. Feeling ko nga nung bata siya kasi sporty yan, maitim. Feeling ko nga parang Bombay. So, parang ganun, parang Indian. So, sabi ko, ngayon nga mukha na siyang mestizo, di ba? Pero never kasi ako naging into physical looks. Ay, alam yan ni Noel. Alam yan ni... alam niya yan.
Binago na
Never.
ng
Hindi
Diyos.
yan yung
Binago na
basis
ng
ko.
Diyos.
Hindi yan yung basis ko when I get attracted to a person.
Mm.
When I start liking a person, hindi
Mm.
talaga physical. So, ayun na, syempre, parang lagi nga niyang sinasabi sa akin, oh, parang ngayon, at least, di ba, gwapo na yung, ano mo. Parang ano siya, hints naman na gwapo siya. Natutuwa nga siya sa
Mm.
mga comments ng mga tao. And, mukha naman siya talagang mga Clark Kent, di ba? Mukha naman siyang
Yeah.
ganon. Gwapo.
Mm.
So,
Mm.
ano, syempre, parang feeling ko, oh, ano na pala, parang swerte ko rin naman pala, di ba? Kahit hindi yun yung hinahanap ko. Actually,
Ah.
nababasa ko yung comments, sinasabi swerte ko. So,
Kaya
sinasabi ko, oh, sige na nga, swerte ako, gwapo.
Pero Miss Annette, how do you keep ba the romance alive? Kasi I know, parang pa 10 years na kayo, no? I mean, this year, 9 years married.
Yes.
Tama po ba? 9 years married this year. O,
8
di ba?
years.
O, 8 years.
8.
How do you keep the
Yes.
romance alive?
Keep God at the center of your relationship. At saka effort talaga to keep romance alive. Nawawala ang romance. I know alam niya yan, di ba? Nawawala ang romance. And because romance is not true love. It's not real love. 'Di ba? Real love is a commitment. It's going through sacrifices for each other. Doon mo prove na totoo yung love. Hindi yung andito ako kasi I feel good, kinikilig ako, dami niyang ginagawa for me. That's not real love because it's selfish love. Real love is pag nakita mo na you've gone through so much, you're still together, nakita mo na someone is with you through thick and thin, doon napapakita yung totoong love. Hindi talaga sa mga small gestures, hindi naman. It's in the, actually yung sacrifice is the grandest gesture of love that someone can show.
Galing.
Okay. My last 2 questions about love. Kapatid.
Love ka talaga, Natalie.
Last na to, Miss
Yung in
Annette.
love.
Okay.
Oo, kasi para naman mahawa tayo.
Oo, correct.
Miss Annette, kasi ako, eldest din ako, and you're the eldest in the family. At saka, alam mo yung iba yung relationship natin sa tatay natin, di ba? When it comes to mga love life. At saka, medyo protective yung tatay sa atin. I wonder how did he win over Attorney Gozon?
Nako, galit. Kasi dad ko, very conservative. As in, very conservative. Di ba, I came from a first marriage. When I separated, tapos annulled, I was in my 40s. Doon ako nakatira sa parents ko. Bawal akong hindi matulog doon. Kailangan, may curfew ako 12 midnight. At 40s? Ganun talaga. Tapos syempre, very conservative sila. Ayaw nila. Ayaw nila. Tapos nung start, talagang wala. Ayaw nila. Tapos ngayon, after years na nakita naman nila, siguro parang natakot sila for me. Kasi nga, di ba, yung artista before. Alam mo naman yung mga reputation ng, and he had wives before. Di ba yung parang,
Mm-hmm.
syempre takot sila for
Yes.
me. Pero siguro nung nakita nila, wow, tumatagal, and parang mukha namang, totoo naman pala, parang mabait naman pala sa akin, and loyal.
Mm-mm.
Tapos later on, nung finally, willing na sila makilala. Ngayon, wow, parang favorite na siya in a way. Na
mas
lagi
Oo.
kong
mahal na
hinahanap.
siya.
Minsan nga, oo nga, minsan nga kahit wala ako, or kunyari I'm abroad, pupunta siya sa bahay namin, kakain siya, sila lang ng dad ko, parang ganun.
Eh,
Oh, ang
but
Oo,
cute.
parang ano na siya,
credit
adopted child.
Shintaro.
Parang ano siya.
Mm-mm.
Oo,
But credit
anak na rin.
Shintaro for really like showing his love to your dad and your family.
Mm-mm.
As in,
Yes, as in, pag nag-cruise kami, sila ng dad ko yung maaga parehas gumising, hinahanap na siya ng dad ko. Pinapahanap siya sa butler, kasi may butler doon sa room
mm.
namin. Tawagin mo na si Shintaro, magbe-breakfast na kami. So,
Ang
pareho sila
sweet.
naka-room. Pinicturean ko nga sila, nakakatawa sila.
Pero aminin mo kapatid, pinagdasal natin yan. Hindi naging
Yes,
madali
of course.
yan. Yun,
Mm.
Of
sobra yan.
course. And siguro kasi syempre, mahirap naman na mag-separate, 'di ba? Mahirap magkaroon ng failed marriage. And in everything na nag-fail in the eyes of God also, hindi naman immediate na kailangan may sacrifice ng konti. You have to prove yours, 'di ba? Parang inaano ka rine-refine ka like silver, 'di ba sa Bible? Parang God is the refiner. So, hindi agad-agad ibibigay. Kailangan talagang you have to work and show na tama talaga. Yung parang um, this is true, this is sincere, and saka ibibigay in talagang in God's perfect timing talaga. Siguro kung binigay niya to ng maaga, baka hindi rin ganito ka okay, yung parang baka i-take for granted, 'di ba? Pero ngayon, since it's in his perfect timing, everything has come together, lalong nagiging valuable for all of us.
Ayun. Miss Annette, and your advice sa mga single women na still looking for the one above 40s. Still looking for the
Ito yung advice ko. Actually, ito yung pinsan ko, di ba?
Marinette, to
Single pa rin,
Natalie.
50. Oo. Itago natin sa pangalang Tracy. Na joke. Hindi, actually, lagi kaming nag-uusap. Sinasabi ko sa kanya, if you're single, and if you're talagang looking for someone, you pray to God to give you the right person. Pero kung hindi ibigay, hindi rin naman ganun ka-okay ikasal. Parang, sinasabi ko, it's not a fairy tale. It's not na parang, wow, pag kinasal ako, wala nang problema. Hindi. Parang it's still a sacrament. It's still something na will teach you, um, which it will make you go through a lot of trials to make you a better person. Lahat, even in your singleness, trial rin yan to make you a better person. Hindi ang asawa mo ang magpapasaya sa'yo. Hindi ganon. It's not a marriage that will make you happy. It's not a marriage that will complete you. Hindi siya ganon, 'di ba? So, um, even if gusto mo magpakasal pero hindi, if it's not for you, still be thankful because it's not a bed of roses, ha? 'Di ba? I'm sure alam nyo, in all relationships, it's not. So, sabi ko nga kay Tracy, at least ang saya-saya ay, sorry, talagang nag-mention ng pangalan. Sabi ko nga sa
Listen,
kanya,
Tracy.
swerte mo, wala kang iniintindi. Parang pagising mo, di ba, wala ka nang kailangan intindi. Pag magbabakasyon ka, wala kang kailangan intindihin. Pag meron kang decision, ikaw lang, di ba? Parang it's also, it's a different path, but it's not less than being married. It's on the
That's
same
true.
footing. Parang
That's
ganon.
true.
Yun lang yung, point of view.
Ang ganda, Miss Annette. Thank you so much. Magagamit. O, di ba?
Sana ma-inspire.
Oo.
No, corollary to that, Annette, are you still working on may inaanak in any way sa
Anong may,
inyong Shintaro? Parang, kunyari, have another kid with you and
anak?
Shintaro. Oo.
Baka hindi na.
Kahit adoption, hindi, it's not an option.
Baka hindi na kasi mag-iintay na lang ako ng apo. Na
Agad-agad.
pag meron akong apo, yan na, hihiramin ko na lang.
Yun na
Kasi
lang.
ngayon parang, like, may pamangkin ako, she's 7 years old. Lagi namin hinihiram, parang anak na rin namin yon. So, pwede na,
Mm.
okay na kasi he has 4 kids.
Yes,
I
yes.
have 2 kids.
Mhm.
So, complete na yon, pwede na yon. Maghihintay na lang kami ng
And
para
I,
mas madali na yan pag pag grandparent, pwede mo isole. Di ba?
Uy, usa ka
Spoil
pala
mo.
bilang,
Pero,
I didn't
pero
ask
pag
you.
mahirap na, di ba? Oo, nako, isoli ko na. Napagdaanan ko na yan.
I haven't asked you that. Kumusta ka bilang madrasta to the children of Shintaro?
Okay naman. And I'm also good friends with his ex-wives.
Ang
With the moms
galing.
of kids. Oo, bati-bati kami
Galing.
talaga. Parang we're
Ang
all
galing.
good together. And actually, meron siyang 2 kids na nasa status by Sparkle.
Galing,
Yung
galing,
isa
galing.
kasi champion gamer siya, top gamer in the Philippines. Yung isa doktora na maganda. So she's an
Mm,
influencer for beauty
mm,
brands.
mm, mm.
Yun.
Talang harmonizer ka even before. So talagang ikaw yung peace at
Baka.
peace.
Ayoko talaga ng conflict. Ayoko may kaaway.
Totoo, to a fault na kami yung nangaaway minsan kung kailangan. But anyway, and yet, talaga bang wala ng network war? Yun yung panasabi with the collabs of all the networks. Can you say na oo hanggat maaari, mas collab, mas partners yung tingin mo sa mga
Oo.
kasama niyo?
Siguro kaya nagkaroon ng word na war or network war, it's because of the fans before.
Yeah,
Yung
yeah.
sila talaga yung nag-aaway. But in all businesses, there's competition and it can be a healthy competition. Hindi
Mm-mm.
yung parang patayan, 'di ba? Hindi yung parang I want to see you lose. I want to see you
Yeah.
gusto ko ma-destroy. Hindi ganon. 'Di ba? Parang mas maganda nga na may competition because I think competition helps
Yeah.
boost both companies. Like kunyari sa mga artista, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Nora Vilma. Oh, pareho silang
Yeah.
sikat, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Yung mga ganong types
Mm-mm.
na competition can be very healthy and you can leverage that and use it to benefit your
That's
company,
true.
'di
That's
ba?
true. No, what's
Yun.
good with you is that parang oo, nagagamit na nagkakatulungan na yung mga tao. Things we'll started that before with Casey and Richard Gutierrez, di ba? Na
Yes, yes.
Tapos after, okay,
Oo.
ngayon parang
Kami
normal.
naman yung team movie, oo.
Galing, galing, galing. And now,
Hindi, at saka I think,
yeah, go.
given the trends now, napaka-global ng entertainment. So,
Yes.
hindi na dapat tayo-tayo nag-aaway amongst ourselves, di ba? Pwede
That's
tayong mag-collab because we want to have a healthy competition naman with other countries.
that's
Di
true.
ba? Parang gusto rin natin na mag-compete in that sense. And what's a better way to compete than get all the best from the Philippines na in other, di ba, parang hindi naman lahat nasa GMA, hindi naman lahat
That's
nasa isang kumpanya. Parang we get together, we put together our best. Tapos yun ang ilaban natin in the international arena, di ba? Para mapakita natin yung galing ng Pilipino.
Hi, I'm Joelle, and I'm back. Did you miss me? I wouldn't call this a season 2, but rather just another era with more lessons, realizations, and thoughts from all the overthinking. And it's not just gonna be me this time. We'll have special guests, other POVs, para mas marami pa tayong masagot na paano kungs ng buhay to hopefully help you find the answers you're looking for. Tara, this is Joelle's podcast, Paano Kung.
It's a 75th anniversary of GMA this year, Annette. So,
Yeah.
you're gearing towards what?
Well, this year kasi we have naka-line up na, we have Sangre, which is the third book of Encantadia. So, ang
Okay.
tagal na namin ginagawa yan, pinapaganda. So, it will launch maybe June or July of this year.
Okay.
So, that's one of our big offerings. Tapos, basta
Kailangan
surprise. Ayoko pang...
magpasabog ka ha. Kailangan magpasabog kasi Ma'am Chara nagsabi na, uy, may maalaala mo kaya siya ulit. Parang ganon. Dapat tapatan mo. Ano yung pwede naming sabihin?
Wala naman. Wala naman na parang pasabog. Kasi lahat naman feeling ko, lahat pinaghahandaan yung shows namin, lahat
Mm-hmm.
naman okay. So, basta naka-line up na sila lahat.
Something
And,
you're excited
ano,
about that you can like share at least.
meron kaming gagawin naman na FPJ adaptation, secret pa, with one
Okay,
of our
go.
prime artists.
Yeah, okay, at least.
So, it will launch
Yay.
dapat mga this year. So, yon. Meron kami
Okay,
mga
at
ganun.
least.
Kasi FPJ, GMA is launching, di ba? Today yata
Yeah.
or this weekend. It's
Yes, this week
back on
na.
GMA.
Yeah.
Yes. So, yun. Basta.
Ang galing. And then
Guys, ayoko pa kunahan. Baka mapagalitan ako ng na bawal
okay.
pa sabihin.
Tapos si Talilibeth, we just said thank you to her, and then si Ma'am Cheryl Chingsi, yung papalit. What kind of parang changes do you see happening in the entertainment team?
Si Cheryl is now the OIC,
Yeah.
but I think we want to strengthen each department, each group. Kasi ano yan eh, 3 groups sila under entertainment. One is for drama, they concentrate on drama. The other one concentrates on musical variety and yung mga The Voice, mga reality competitions. The other naman, sitcoms, comedy, mga family feud.
Mhm.
So, parang we want to empower the heads of these departments. Kasi mahirap kasi pag I know na naintindihan nyo kung gaano ka difficult to mount a show, lalo na different genres. So parang feeling
Mhm.
namin dapat mas strengthen na lang per genre para yung focus talaga is in that. Kasi pag masyadong marami ka nang tinitingnan, nawawala yung focus.
That's
So
true.
maybe we want to strengthen each of them, but with one OIC on top.
Galing. How about GMA Films, Annette? Anything we should feel
Marami
excited
kami.
about? Diyan kaya
Well,
masyado, di ba? Ang dami, no?
itong Gabi ng Lagim,
Yes.
it's, diba, KMJS yan eh. And it's from Real Stories, from Kapuso Mo Jessica So, and it's, napanood na nila Nessa, napanood na ng groups, and napakaganda rin. So it's
Mhm.
parang another, we're very proud again of this project na pwede naming ipagyabang ulit, and we're hoping, kung matuloy ang Summer MMFF, matutuloy ba, Noel?
Yes. By
Ayan,
this time, in-announce na yan. Pero oo.
subukan namin na i-enter doon kung matanggap. Kasi it's a very,
Mhm.
very good material, and I think maganda siya. Kakaiba siya.
Mhm. Tapos yun nga, nung nanalo kayo sa Green Bone, so lahat masaya, no? And then, you were saying, okay, pahinga muna tayo ng Metro Manila Film Fest kasi parang gusto nyo mong ibalik yung Pasko. But it's a pinaka-viable, di ba, na play date? Or are
Well,
you telling them to
magta-try
always
kami.
be na
Magta-try
nag-try?
kami.
Okay.
We're in the process of brainstorming para
Okay.
just in case meron kaming pwedeng ma-field. So, meron na kaming mga concepts.
Okay.
Yun.
At least
Let's
walang
see, let's
pahinga.
see.
Walang
Oo, walang
pahinga.
pahinga, Diyos ko. Itong showbiz na to, walang pahinga talaga.
Okay, game. Si Bobby ulit on Sparkle.
Yes.
O Bobby.
Hello, Miss Annette again. Miss Annette, okay, you're the boss. So you have pool of talents. How do you avoid or prevent favoritism among your talents when it comes to pagbibigay ng mga projects?
Kasi kami pag nagbigay talaga by merit, we look at the track record, we do a bit of research. Meron din kaming internal teams to consult. And sa totoo, in terms of casting, it's the programming committee na umaabot yan hanggang sa dad ko. Kaya walang sacred cows, 'di ba? Walang pwedeng not by merit. Kasi abot 'yan sa dad ko, kay Jimmy Duavit, our president and CEO, lahat sila yung may final say. So,
Maraming pinagdadaan,
um,
maraming approval
oh, and I think siguro pag
people.
ganun ng kataas, it's really you decide on what is best for the network. 'Di ba? Wala yung mga personal bias. Pero syempre, alam naman natin sa talents, minsan may ano yan eh, kutob. Parang, oh, may nakikitaan akong, ito, may talagang star potential. Eh, kasama na rin yun doon sa pagde-decide. And, um, mahirap kasi, 'di ba? Parang I think in our industry, it takes years and years and years and a very special eye to see talent na alam mo na kahit bago pa lang, meron to. He or she will make it big one day. So, may mga ganun din tayong factors na kino-consider.
Okay, Miss Annette, we feel na talagang napakabait mo, no? Pero how do you deal with artista na matigas ang ulo? Like may pinagalitan ka na ba talaga na talagang
Wala.
oo.
Hindi na umaabot sa akin.
Hindi
Pag
na
umabot
maabot
sa
eh.
akin, ako talagang matigas na yung ulo siguro. Parang ito, medyo
Hmm.
swerte kami sa GMA dahil parang mababait yung talents namin, especially in Sparkle. Ako, I attribute it dahil marami sa kanila, umabot pa kay Kuya Germs. Si Kuya Germs kasi, napakagaling mag-train ng artista. Yung mga artista na dumaan sa kanya, walang ere. napaka-professional, they're very humble, and karamihan dyan, dumaan na sa kanya. And he was a former consultant of Sparkle. Natuturuan niya yung mga artists. And I think nag-rub off yun sa kanila eh. Yung mga payo ni Kuya Germ sa kanila. Kaya I think less yung problema namin sa mga difficulties when it
Mhm.
comes to artists. And I think our artists, siguro ha, sa Sparkle, our artists trust us
Okay.
na nakikinig naman sila.
Mhm.
Siyempre, hindi natin maiiwasan na siyempre meron silang mga
Mhm.
ideas on their own.
Yes.
But when you explain it to them naman and they realize it's for their own good, it's for
Mhm.
the good of their careers, parang wala kaming nagiging big problems with them.
Pero Miss Net, on a regular basis, how do you nurture or inaalagaan yung talents? How do you do that? In GMA style of
Nagkakaroon kami ng mga like I talk to them a lot. Meron kami mga get-togethers. At kahit yung mga bago, I love talking to them, listening to them. Tinitingnan ko kung anong personalities nila and kung kamusta sila sa show, ano ba yung mga gusto nilang dream role, ano ba yung gusto nilang ma-achieve in showbiz, whether bago or of course yung mga matagal na sa atin na talagang priority artist. Minsan one-on-one yan. And we have an open communication. They're very honest with me, with us sa Sparkle. So our treatment to them is not just as a boss and artist. It's alam nila na we really care for them. We care about not just their careers, but also their well-being, who they are. So, parang ganun yung style namin sa
Okay, Miss
Sparkle.
Annette, congratulations sa Hello Love Again. Collab ng
Thank
GMA and ABS. Ano? Are we expecting another collab of this magnitude? What can
Ewan
you
ko, kukulitin ko sila. Kukulitin ko sila, Carlo.
Oo. Talagang historic itong
Kinukulit ko
pagiging
sila.
box office ng Hello Love Again. How do you feel about this magnitude na ganito
Nakakagulat kasi ini-expect naman namin na maging super blockbuster pero yung magnitude na naabot niya, I think mga lampas 1.6 billion in
Yes.
theatrical receipts worldwide. Parang grabe. Hindi mo na maisip na grabe siya talaga. So, um, all of us are very thankful for that. And ang hirap na tuloy gumawa ng collab na makakatalo.
Yes.
Di ba? Parang ano ko, very challenging. So,
Kailangan
tingnan muna
malampasan
natin
siya.
yung next collab namin with ABS, PBB, Celebrity Edition. Malapit na, March 9.
Yes, malapit na pala. Noel,
Yes.
thank you, Miss Annette.
Galing. Balik natin kay Natalie na in love. Hindi na love questions kay Natalie.
Ano na naman
Ano ba?
question?
Hindi, kasi gusto ko lang i-clarify. Kasi connect ko lang, Miss Annette, with Bobby's question. Totoo ba yung mga chismis sa online about Alden Catherine series na remake sa isang Korean drama? May pinapaikot na
Wow,
parang
maganda
chismis
yan.
online.
Wala namang talagang concrete, but lagi kong tinatanong sa yes kung open sila to do another Alden Catherine project. So yun yung parang siguro both of us would want to do that again. Hindi lang natin alam kung ano yung tamang material. And it's very difficult nga because of the overwhelming success of Hello Love Again. Kaya yung next project nila kailangan talagang, alam mo naman, ayaw naman natin na less than Hello Love Again. Kailangan ma-surpass. Kaya it's very, very challenging, I think, to be able to
Okay.
come up with the next project for Catherine and Alden.
And for Barda, Miss Annette, may bago ba tayong project for
Barda,
Barda?
meron. Meron yan, meron. May
Barda.
movie sila, inaayos na lang namin. Kasi they have their separate projects this year on TV. But alam naman natin na may chemistry talaga tong dalawa. And we're currently in pre-production for their movie. Siyempre, love story. And yun. Kasi yung project ni Barbie, it's less of a love story. Kaya ang hirap naman na ipasok si David. So, iba muna naman yung bigay sa kanya. But, of course, gusto pa rin natin i-sustain yung kanilang chemistry. So, yan.
Lalo
And
na
are there
nakipag-break. Lalo na nakipag-break na rin daw si
Oo nga, parehong
Oh
single.
my God.
Parehong
Ayun.
single, di ba?
Oo.
Kinonfirm ni Annette the single.
Ha? Alam naman ba?
Oo.
Alam naman lahat. Nag-announce
Oo.
na pareho.
I'll push it,
Oo.
Annette. I'll push it lang. Totoo ba na si David yung napipisel doon sa FPJ na series?
Hindi. Secret.
Ganun.
Pero hindi.
At
Hindi
least
siya,
you
hindi
got.
siya.
Kasi yun yung unang nabalita na
Kilala mo
bakasyon.
rin.
Sana yung gusto ko. Sana yung gusto ko.
Gusto mo, gusto mo, gusto mo.
Yay! Yung siya yung original naman. Kaso mo, di ba, meron pang iba siyang ginagawang project. So, sana yun na nga.
Ah,
Hindi.
okay.
Oh,
Mamaya offline.
okay.
Chichika ko sa'yo. Pagalitan ako, mag-a-announce ako, hindi pa ina-announce.
Last na lang ko ng question. Miss Annette, joke ka ng mga netizens na or ginoke ka nung launch ng PBB, di ba? What if mong PBB housemate ka raw or something? Parang natakot sila sa
Niloloko ko
possibility.
nga sila nung nag-time kami, sabi namin, hala, baka mamaya hindi tayo palabasin sa bahay ni Kuya, yung ABS and GMA executives. So nagbiburuan sila, sige, pag ganyan, gawin na natin kasi matatakot yung sales and marketing namin ng both sides na hindi todo benta, di ba? Pero sabi namin, baka naman wala nang mag-stop operations yung mga iba. Kasi bawal, di ba, yung connection sa outside world. Pero joke lang, hindi ko kakayanin mag-PBB.
Hindi.
Lang, joke lang. Biruan
Oo,
lang
pero
naman.
Miss Annette, mahirap ba 'yon na parang major surprise yun ha for us na talagang yung special 25th year, di ba, or 20th year ng PBB and sa
20
GMA
years.
talaga. Oo, naging
Yes.
mahirap ba yung process para sa inyo pag-collab and sa inyo mapunta yung show?
Hindi naman. Actually, ang tagal na namin pinag-uusapan to. Dapat nga last year to last quarter. Pero kasi nagkaroon sila ng, parang nauna yung PBB, na regular PBB. So, inintay namin matapos. Tapos parang kinailangan lang namin mag-nego ng mga kung ano-ano, 'di ba? So, finally, ito na. Nag-coincide sa 20th year. Hindi yun sadya.
Galing.
It's just how things fell into place. And 30th anniversary ng Sparkle. So, nagsabay pa. So, para talagang naging very special, 'di ba? In a way.
Okay. Ayun. And to end my question. Kasi Miss Annette, napansin ko ang ganda ng skin mo ha. Pero actually in person din, ang ganda din ng skin mo talaga. Parang pag glass skin levels ka na talaga. Kahit in person. Secret naman dyan. Anong self-care,
Alam
mo,
mo,
secret?
yung secret dyan, I think dry yung skin ko, kaya hindi siya kailangan masyado alagaan. Wala akong masyadong walang masyadong
Talaga.
ritual.
Mm,
Swinerte lang talaga ako. Kasi I think,
Yes.
mm,
Yes.
Pag oily yes.
mukha lang siyang fine, pero hindi. Siguro parang kalabaw yung balat ko, yung hindi na kailangang alagaan.
grabe. Grabe.
Hindi, totoo, hindi kasi wala masyado akong ritual. Kaya nga yung anak ko nga naiinis sa akin. Sabi niya,
Mm.
Mom, why is your skin so nice? You don't even do anything. Sabi ko, my skin
Oh.
is dry.
Ano ba? Ang trivia dyan, binibining CSA yan, no,
Right.
nung high
Ay,
school.
oh my God,
Oh,
oo.
di ba? Oo.
Oh,
So,
Ba?
yun,
hindi
so
namin alam
yun.
yan.
Anyway,
Oo, hindi namin
Bali lang
alam.
ako.
Si Anyang, yung daughter
Ay,
mo, ang ganda din, Miss Annette.
oo. May trivia ako dyan, since
Hmm.
na-break up mo, Noel, yung binibining CSA ko.
oh,
Pageant yan sa high school.
correct.
So, sumali ako. Tapos, syempre, yung finals, parang ganon. Pero
Hmm.
afterwards, mga few months after, nasa Divisoria ako. Tapos, lumapit sa akin, sabi niya sa akin, malaki na, parang, kilala kita. Tapos sabi ko, hindi. High school pa lang ako noon eh. Tapos, hindi, kilala kita, sumali ka sa Binibining CSA, sabi sa akin. So, sabi ko, ay, opo. Tapos, alam mo yung sabi sa akin?
Ano?
Dapat nanalo ka eh. Kaya lang dinaan nila sa pagandahan. So ibig sabihin kasi ang talino ko kasi talaga. Sobra kong hindi ako nagyayabang ah. Baka sabihin nila ang yabang ko, matalino parang doon ako sikat ako dahil matalino ako 'yon. Hindi ako sikat, wala akong hindi ako beauty. I'm the
Oy.
brainy type. So parang
Hmm.
hindi pinapalabas niya kasi magaling yung question and answer ko talaga noon.
Pero maganda
Really?
ka talagang tao. Mas mabait ka sa aming lahat. Yun naman talaga yun. But
Noel, pahabol.
sige, go, 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 go. Go, Bobby.
Then, Miss Annette, when you were much younger, hindi mo naisip na mag-showbiz because your father's nasa network na rin, nasa
Hindi,
industry.
actually, wala. Growing up, naka-brainwash ako na mag-law. Kasi lawyer
Ganun.
siya. And um, partner of his law firm.
Mm-hmm.
Chairman siya ng GMA, pero he was just a member of the board. Chairman siya from the
Mm-hmm.
start. Pero hindi siya talaga nakikialam sa showbiz because
Okay.
hanggang ngayon naman, mas news and public affairs yung pinapakialaman niya.
Focus,
Hindi kasi
okay.
siya masyado nanonood ng
Mm-hmm.
showbiz before, yung mga local. Pero yung mom ko, naku,
Mm-hmm.
kinokolekta niya yan lahat. Modern romance, kiss love,
Yes.
extra hot, orig. Kompleto kami niyan
Oo,
every
naabutan ko
week.
ba namin yan,
So,
no?
oo, every week. Kaya ako up to date nung bata. So,
Mm-hmm.
siguro parang buti na lang, di ba? Parang kahit na akala ko lawyer, pero meron palang secret na nagtitrain sa akin sa showbiz dati. So,
Correct.
Okay.
pero wala akong idea na mag-showbiz ako. Actually, nag-masters pa ako sa law. Pagbalik ko,
Mm-hmm.
pumunta ako sa law ng dad ko. Within 1 year, biglang linipat niya ako sa GMA kasi biglang siya yung nag-take over. So,
Mm-hmm.
nagulat
Yeah.
rin ako.
Ang
Okay.
galing. But at least you're having fun. Ang maganda, people don't know, napaka-nerd ni Annette. Kung nakita na namin yung kwarto niya nakasarado, dun sa yung time niyang nagre-review ng mga contracts, and she's very diligent sa pag-review ng contracts. Are you still like that, Annette, now, or you pass it on already? Reading
Mas
contracts.
pinapass on ko kasi, the head of our legal was my classmate in law school.
Okay.
Head
Okay.
rin ng HR was my batchmate in law school. Kaya nga ang dali for me.
At least. So, here, what do you read now, or what do you listen to music now, and what do you watch now on TV?
Alam mo, wala na nga ako masyadong time to read, watch. Pareho, mga streaming pa rin. Parang I want to see kung ano yung mga nagtatop. Kasi it's the trend now. Nag-iiba na kasi yung viewing preferences and per platform, iba rin yung preferred material nila. And now that hindi na lang TV kasi ang play ng mga networks, 'di ba, ng
Yes.
mga content creators,
Yes.
we have to go into digital, we have to learn how to also be present in different platforms na ibang-iba yung gusto nila from free TV.
I want to go there because
Oh,
ang daming
yes.
malalaking pelikula ngayon, well promoted and all. But then when they go to the box office, medyo talagang wanting yung results. And then they tell us, kasi yung generation nyo talaga nasa streaming na. So, what can bring the people back to the theaters, you think?
Kailangan kasi something na hindi nila napapanood sa TV. Kasi, or
Okay.
sa, di ba, something na hindi nila napapanood na accessible sa kanila. Kaya nga nagiging, it's more challenging for movie producers now because of all the
Yes.
other platforms, lahat ng content available to other people. So, lalo na on free TV, dapat hindi na talaga na nakikita sa free TV. For example, itong Catherine Alden, di mo makikita yan sa
Yeah.
free TV kasi itong
Yeah.
dalawang magkahiwalay na artista. Something na hindi nila mapapanood.
Very good.
Kailangan
Very good.
event na talaga.
Very good.
Ngayon, in terms of content, something new and different, which is also very difficult sa dami na nang nagawa worldwide, di ba? Parang
That's true.
talagang kailangan pigain na yung creativity ng mga tao na you have to push it further. Hindi na pwede yung napanood na, which is difficult, which is
That's
very, very
true.
difficult.
Do you see yourself branching into concerts na, because live events, concerts, and musicals are so in, kapatid, kahit na ang
Yes.
mahal, di ba? So,
We're looking at adapting some of our shows into a musical. We're trying to
yes,
work
yeah.
with
Good,
co-producers. So
good.
gano'n na rin. And we're strengthening our music arm.
Good.
We're entering into joint ventures with collab na naman, Star Music and Viva
Yes,
Music. So
yes,
collab is the way to go talaga. Yon.
yes.
So we strengthening that and may makikita kayo announcement soon. Meron kaming first collab with Star Music. Surprise,
Yay!
basta.
Ayan.
Malapit na.
At least
Siguro
sinabi niya,
within this month.
may pasabog din siya sa atin. May collab with Star Music. Tapos kapatid, ano yung measure
Meron.
of success now for the network?
Saan?
Sa network. Ano yung gusto
Well,
mong marating ng network?
kasi ngayon naman, di ba, as always, it's been ratings and revenue.
Yeah, yeah.
But ngayon kasi nag-iiba na rin yung playing field. We want to be, siguro important na rin to be recognized internationally, globally, because I think that's the dream of
That's
all
true.
content creators, to be an international player, to be recognized, and, maka-crossover ka in the international arena. So siguro yun yung dream ng lahat, and we're also going to try in our own way without abandoning our core, which
Yeah.
is Philippine Free TV.
Very good, very good. And then, ito, parang, yung dad mo talaga, parang sobrang laki ng impluwensya sa GMA, no? At saka hindi talaga, sabi mo nga, ay, ikahihina niyan pag wala siya talagang kinalaman sa network at all. Do you see yourself, like, kunyari, really winning from your dad in terms of GMA, or talagang nandun siya talaga? Hindi mo siya mapigilan na tipong, dad, sige, pahinga ka na.
Hindi mo siya mapipigilan, parang kung gusto niya makialam, makikialam siya. Ganon siyang type of person.
I know, I
Boss
know.
yan eh. Ganon siya. And um, he retained, kahit nag-retire siya, he retained some positions eh. Like siya pa rin yung chairman of our programming committee, which is one of the most important committees in the network. And kasi siya yung type, even before naman siya mag-GMA, pag nagbabakasyon kami, every year pag summer, 2 weeks pa lang hindi na niya kaya, kailangan na kami umuwi kasi kailangan na niya magtrabaho. Parang hinahanap niya. Hindi talaga
Yeah.
siya yung type na makakapagpahinga. I
Mhm,
think
mhm.
that what keeps him going, something na, yun, siguro work. Parang that's his, gusto niya may purpose siya every day, may maa-achieve, parang ganon.
Hindi nyo nadadala sa bahay yung mga pagtatalo.
Nadadala naman, alam mo, nadadala. Dati nung nag-umpisa kami, nadadala. Dining table, nagtatalo kami, pero natuto na ako na hindi ko na lang siya i-engage pag ganon, para naman makakakain kami lahat in peace.
Ang galing. At least you know how to work
Kasi
around
lawyer,
things.
di ba? Lawyer kasi siya, lawyer ako. So talagang mahilig siya mag-debate, mahilig. So, yun.
Nag-mellow ka na
Ganun
rin.
siya.
Nag-mellow. Alam mo na kung
Ako,
paano.
nag-mellow na rin ako.
Oo.
Oo, nag-mellow na ako. Kasi may time talaga na naalala ko. Pero years ago to siguro mga 15, more than 15 years ago, sa program committee, may pinagtalunan kami. Eh, ako yung matapang na lumalaban sa kanya, di ba? Kasi hindi naman niya ako the worst is i-disown niya ako. Di ba? Parang ganon. So talagang pinaglalaban ko. Kung gusto ko, pinaglalaban. Tapos, hindi ako tumitigil. Nagalit siya. Sabi niya parang, gusto mo ikaw yung masunod? Okay, I resign. I tender my resignation right now. So, talagang after that, ayoko na lang. Talagang takot na takot kami. Magre-resign ba siya talaga? Yun.
Hindi mo
Umabot
rin
kami sa
kaya. Hindi
ganon.
mo rin
Pero
kaya
syempre,
na
parang,
wala yung dad. Hindi mo rin kaya na yung wala yung dad mo, no?
hindi, kasi leader naman siya talaga.
That's
And, syempre, ano ko daughter, palagi naman talagang obedient kami. And we're obedient because na-prove naman niya na he's very capable, he's very responsible, he's very intelligent, kaya niya mag-problem solve. So, na-prove naman niya yon. And wala naman kaming right to question him. Pero syempre, yung pag-debate, mahilig na naman kami mag-debate, di ba? Pero wala namang question na magaling siya. He
mhm.
made GMA number one. Walang question doon. So, sino kami, 'di ba, para magsabi na dapat hindi ka magaling.
Galing.
Hindi mo ganun.
Galing. Last question before we say our thank you and our wishes for you. Annette, do you see yourself being a national leader eventually? Kasi with media in the
Parang
forefront of
hindi.
things, hindi talaga. Hindi talaga.
National leader, not in the sense of politics. Ayoko
At
ng
all,
politics.
kapatid. Talaga.
Ayoko. Siguro ayoko yung elective. Ayoko yon yung elective. Pero siguro in the future, pag kailangan yung skills mo in a
Chief
certain, pero ayoko
Justice.
yung
Parang
tumatakbo
ganon.
ha.
Chief Justice.
Pwede rin yon, di ba? Pero ayoko yung tumatakbo. Ayoko yung mga ganon na type. But
Ah.
if I can contribute, maybe, di ba, I can. But never ako tatakbo
No,
for
we'd
an
rather give
elective.
it to people who don't want but are qualified. Yun talaga. So sana you keep an open eye to it, open mind and open heart.
Pwede naman makatulong talaga kahit naman hindi ka in position. Like ngayon, 'di ba? Parang we're trying to help even in the content of our shows, yung mga
That's
pulang
true.
araw, 'di ba? We
That's true.
try to incorporate love for country, tapos parang maraming shows na nagtatry tayo makatulong sa tourism, sa culture.
That's
So,
true.
sa moral values, in that sense, malaki
That,
rin yung responsibility ng media. And
yan
malaki
yan.
rin yung kung paano tayo pwedeng mag-contribute sa nation building.
Thank you, Miss Annette, for inspiring us. And thank you for keeping the industry alive with the wonderful shows, beautiful collabs, memorable shows. And we're here to support you kung whatever way we can. And God bless.
Go natin, Ina in love.
Grabe siya. Ako, wish ko naman kay Miss Annette, di ba? Wish you more years together. O, di ba?
Yun talaga.
Kasi love-related na.
Love pa rin.
And also wish you more, wish natin na talagang yung mga dreams niyo po for the industry din, tuloy-tuloy. Kasi kasama din kami dun eh. As journalists covering entertainment.
We're all in one industry.
Yeah.
Like this effort nga kapatid, dapat dati di ba na ina-outscoop ng bawat isang dyaryo ang isa't isa.
Yeah.
It's collab also. So
tama, Miss Annette. Collab is the way to go.
So, wish namin sa'yo self-care, number 1. You cannot share what you don't have. Alam mo naman yun. Tapos, number 2 talaga, ituloy mo talaga yung, marami tayong kilalang magaling, pero iba kukunti yung magagaling at mababait. Yung mabubuti, yun siguro yung natin, palawakin pa natin na network. Yung, magaling na nga, pero ay mabuti rin sila. So yun, parang, and it's not all money. Naku, si Annette, nagpapautang yan ng hindi sumisingil, nakakainis. Pero wag na, kami yung nagagalit. Annette, yun, parang, yun, kami nag-guard doon to sobrang bait. Yun tipong gano'n. Maraming salamat, Annette. Final words, things on 75th anniversary of GMA and you're celebrating 30 years of Sparkle.
Congratulations.
We wouldn't be here without our viewers, without the Filipino people, without you, without the people who help us in this industry, and without God's hand. Parang yan eh. No, we couldn't have reached 75 years. And I think in everything we do, we really want to give God the glory. Kasi hindi naman sa amin yun eh. It's really to try to glorify Him in every way that we can.
Ang ganda. Ang galing niya magsalita. Kaya sa eulogy, para sa akin, kasama siya.
Grabe ikaw, di ba yun yung buhay na eulogy? Ano ka ba?
Yes. Pero maraming salamat, Annette. Salamat. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Annette.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.